Okay, now watch this video. It's already written. The categories I have already typed, so it will be easier for you to understand. So examples which we have studied, it's given here. Watch the examples. So this we have done earlier. So I have increased the speed. You can see two people, they are pushing and pulling. So what is the unit of force? Newton is the SI unit of force. So different types of units we have studied last year. That is the MKS system, CGS system and all. So types of force. That is the contact force. In which there is direct contact. That is physical contact with the object. So first is muscular force, second is frictional force. So magnetic force is non-contact force. Do not confuse. So muscular force and friction are examples of contact force. Next is non-contact force. The video is very slow. Now magnetic force. These are examples of non-contact force. So we have read what is non-contact force, in which we do not give direct contact. Second is your gravitational force. Magnetic force and gravitational force and electrostatic force. These are all examples of non-contact force, which acts from a distance. They are known as gravitational force. Gravitational force you can say. These are all examples of non-contact force. Contact and non-contact forces. They are the categories, and under those categories we are having the different types of forces. So examples we'll see. Examples of non-contact force. You can see electrostatic force, which you had seen when you bring tiny pieces of paper either to a scale, even near a pen also. Now elastic force is not given in your book, but you should know. So this is the example of elastic force in which spring is used. You know what is a spring? When we compress the spring, it regains back its shape. Next is your magnetic force. Now here you can see very nicely that they have done South Pole and North Pole. So the force between two magnets is called as magnetic force. I hope all of you know what are the poles of the magnet. So magnetic field is also given. So I have joined all the different forces. So South Pole, North Pole. Now next is electrostatic force. So this is an example of electrostatic force. Do not confuse. You don't have to study this in your This is example of two opposite charges, positive, negative, positive, positive. The charges are same, they will, not only in magnets, in electricity also, if the charges are same, that is positive, positive and negative, negative, they will repel. They will repel, and positive, negative, they will attract. Now next is gravitational force. So the force between two objects due to their masses is called as gravitational force.